Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the instructions and the sounds language on the Sygic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and click to the settings button. In the general section you can find the second option, the language and sounds, and here you can find the voice instructions section. Click to the first option, the instructions and sounds, and you can select the voice instructions, the alerts only, and the sounds off. And just select one, for example the sounds off, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.